Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is DIMMA here. Today's video is going to be an updated house tour video. You guys have been asking me to do this like crazy. I haven't made any drastic changes, okay? I've moved a few things around and introduced some new things to the house and taken some old things away, but you guys really wanted me to do a video dedicated to this, so I am going to do that. My house tour video, the last one, did so well, and I'm still really thankful that some of you are still even watching it. I think that if there's one video in the past year that I've gotten so many comments or messages or DMs from people saying, oh, I've watched this over and over again, it is the house tour. And it's crazy just thinking about it that I uploaded that video last year. I'm going to link the original house tour video here so that if you're just watching me for the first time and you didn't see that one, you can go back to that one to have your questions answered. One thing I know that just happened a lot after that video was people asking me for a list of products or DMing me asking me for the numbers and websites and Instagram accounts of some of the people that I mentioned. And guys, there is a link in the description box of that video. It has the detailed list of every single person that I mentioned, plus their phone numbers, plus their Instagram accounts, plus their websites if they have websites. So please check the description box of that video. Another thing again were people telling me that they couldn't open the link. Very few people. If that is the issue for you, think of changing your browser. And sometimes I know that sometimes it's even the network or Wi-Fi that you're using. 99.999% of everyone who wanted that list, they were able to access it. It's still accessible. So check my house tour video if you've not seen it, because I think that that's a good place to start before coming back to this one. Am I forgetting anything? No, let's start. So I'm going to start from here. So the first new thing that I have here is this plant here, and I just replaced the one here because I wanted something higher, and I moved the other one somewhere else, not inside the house, just in front of my door. But I'm not going to be showing you guys that plant. But I remember in that video saying that I wasn't sure what the plant was called. That particular plant, the old one that used to be in this spot, is called a Togo lily or peace lily. I got this really cute app. I'm going to show you guys the app in a few minutes, but this particular plant, I really like it. There's a new leaf. I've never had an indoor plant grow as quickly as this one does. It's always just like growing a new leaf. It's incredible. I was told today that I was purchasing that it's poisonous, so if you have children around, this is not necessarily a plant that you want in your space. You know, it's not like poisonous, like if you touch it or come near it, something happens to you, but it's not a plant that you want to touch and then put your hands in your mouth. Nobody's putting their hands in their mouth this corona period, to be very honest, but it's just not a plant that you want to touch and then put your hands in your mouth, okay? So moving back a little bit, this is what it looks like in this area. The app that I was talking about is this one here. It's called Picture This. So you open it up, so you tap on this camera icon here, and then it launches the camera, and then I'll move back a little bit here, and I'll take a picture. And then it's going to do this cute search, and really quickly it pulls up the name of the plant. It will give you the botanical name of the plant. It will even show you like other plants that kind of look like it or other plants that are in the same family. This app is really cool. So let me just increase my ISO because I had to reduce it to show you guys my phone screen, okay? So moving over to this area here. Okay, so this area here, I've added a few new things. There's a diffuser, and this diffuser was a gift from Floorcraft NG. And there's this peacock thing that I got in a gift bag. In all honesty, I can't remember what event it was, but we went somewhere and they gave everyone this. It was in the bag, and I just thought it would be cute to put it up here, okay? It's glass. So I have some new books. I've just bought quite a few new books, but I have like 3 new ones in this end or on this end here. This is Children of Virtue and Vengeance. It's the second in the Children of Blood and Bone trilogy by Tomi Adeyemi. I've read the first one. I haven't read this one yet, and I've had it for a while. I've just not had the time, but I'm looking forward to it. And the really tiny book you have here is Binti by Nnedi Okorafor. And I really love this whole fantasy futuristic, like, I don't know, thing that a lot of like African Nigerian authors are doing right now. And then there's Behold the Dreamer by Imbolo Mbwe. I hope I pronounced it right. I've heard a lot of nice things about Behold the Dreamers, so I cannot wait to read it. This, I definitely have to show you guys. I have a new copy of Americana here. I already showed you guys this on my Insta stories, but hold on. I have 3 copies of Americana. I'm not joking. Okay, so the first one I bought in Nigeria in like 2012, 13 or something, or 14, I can't remember, but I bought it before moving to the UK. And then I go to the UK and I see the British cover for Americana at the time. And this to me just looked a lot more like, I don't know, beautiful. And this was the copy that I actually ended up reading. And I still have the first one, right? But I really loved this cover, so I bought it, okay? And I read this one. And recently Chimamanda did an event where, you know, they gave out copies of Americana, and this copy is signed. This is like my favorite copy in the world right now. She says, "To Dimma with love, you have made me buy unnecessary makeup," which I think is really cute. So I'm just going to put this back in here. So this is the office space, and guys, not a lot of things have changed here. Everything is just pretty much the way it was the last time. This plant, I had to change it because the one that I had here died, guys. It died during the dry season. So here I have my YouTube silver button on display. So YouTube sends this to creators after they hit 100,000 subscribers, and the current one, the one that they send out now, it doesn't look like this anymore. I received mine before they changed the silver play button. So this is for hitting 100,000 subscribers, guys. I can't wait to work really hard to get to 1 million so that I get the 1 million play button. So everything here you guys pretty much saw in the last video. I have this folder here now. So I have a YouTube planner now where I kind of make lists of things that I want to do, jot down ideas and stuff like that. And I already showed you guys this pillow in a video that I uploaded in January, but this is a very beautiful pillow and it's by a Nigerian brand, and I'm going to have their name and their contact details in the description box. But I think it's really beautiful and it goes really well with this chair, and it's not that expensive at all. So I'll have their details in the description box. I think they're called, I don't know, their name is very hard to pronounce for me, Sha, so I don't want to butcher it, but check the description box for their details, okay? Everything here is still pretty much the same, okay? So the new thing here is this mirror here. Let me try to tone down things a little bit because this is really bright so that you guys can see me. Okay, so I have a new mirror here, and guys, this mirror is the mirror that I had in my bedroom, okay? It's the brown mirror that I had in my bedroom in the previous house tour, and I decided to change the mirror that I had in my bedroom because I thought that this one was too small for that area, and I wanted to be able to take like full-length mirror pictures, and I couldn't really do that with this one without moving back or getting the frame of the mirror. I really like this one. So what I did is just the typical thing. I moved the mirror to here and I spray painted it white so that it kind of goes with the room. But this is the one thing here that I really like. And at this point now I have a mirror in all the major rooms, and that makes me really happy. And sometimes before I leave the house, I like to come and look at myself. After looking at myself in the bedroom, in this particular mirror real quick, mainly because of the lighting in this room. The lighting in this human room is the best in the entire house. So this is the old mirror, okay? Bedroom. I want you guys to take a look at this mirror from here. It is massive. It is much bigger than the one that I just showed you guys that I moved to the filming room. So this is the one thing that I think I'm obsessed with right now in this house. And I really like how big this mirror is. And I can't even believe that I didn't even think that I needed a mirror this big at first. I'm able to take pictures in front of this mirror now. And it's a lot longer. Hold on, let me pull this out of my shirt. It's about 5 feet long and about 3 feet wide. And Mr. Kazeem charged me about 35K to do this mirror. And I don't think that that's bad at all, okay? I don't think it's bad at all, but I really like how big this one is, and it just makes me really happy. And the color of the wood kind of goes with the color of all the other furniture that I have in this room. The last thing that I want to show you guys, I already talked about it on my Instagram, but this is like a white noise. Jesus, ma! Guys, look at this is a white noise machine. I got this in a box, a gift box that YouTube sent out, and this just helps me sleep. Guys, I struggle to sleep sometimes, and it's just very easy. You turn it on, you press this button here, and then it starts making different sounds. The sound playing now is my favorite. Sounds like the waves, the ocean. Sounds like the ocean, like waves, and also sounds like the rain here outside when it's raining lightly. I really like this, you know, really like it. I'm not sure where you can get it, but check Amazon. So guys, that's it. These are the little changes that I have made to the house. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and check my previous house tour video if you've not watched that one. I'll see you guys in my next one.